In this video, I'll show you how to list your hotel on Booking.com. So Booking.com makes this pretty simple. It's just a case of following the prompts. So I'll get you started on this one. So all you want to do when you are on your Booking.com profile, just go to list your property on the top here. And then you want to click start registration, put in your email address and hit continue. Then put in your first name, last name, and your cell phone number. After that, you want to put in your password and confirm password, and then create your account. Now from here, you'll be taken through a little captcha. And now the account setup part is done. So what we want to do is just pick hotel, B&Bs, and more, and just click on list your property. And here we can choose, is it a hotel, guest house, and so forth. So let's just say guest house for this one. And then you can choose how many guest houses you're listing, and then hit continue. And then all you need to do is put in your address. And that is unfortunately where I have to love and leave you, as I don't have a property that I'm actually trying to list. I just wanted to show you how to get started with the process. From here, it's just as we've been doing. Keep following the prompts. Super simple. Booking.com really makes sure that this is not a hassle. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.